This is an F3 power chair. The color is black. This power chair is practically brand new. This power chair is loaded. It has the 12-inch seat lift, the electric recline, the electric tilt, the electric leg, and it also has the interior tilt where the seat tilts forward. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to make the seat go up 12 inches. To do that, you can do it through the switch box back here or through the joystick. If you do it through the switch box, you use these buttons. If you do it through the joystick, you hit the mode button right here, and whatever color is on the chair is what's going to work. Right now it would be the seat lift, but I'm going to do it from here. So I'm going to bring it back down to here and push the button forward, and as I do that, the seat will go up 12 inches. The nice thing about these seat lift these days is that this is the newest type of seat lift with Permobil. Your seat will be about 22 inches when it's down, and add 12 inches, be about 34 inches when it's all the way up. So it'll be about 34 inches from here to the ground. But this is a 3-point seat lift. Your actual motor for your seat lift is under here. This is where your motor is pushing this rod here. But you've also got the suspension here to hold this seat steady. So now your seat doesn't wobble anymore. You have a real steady seat. And you can drive these chairs with the seat lift elevated these days. So you can see, with the seat lift elevated, you can still drive the chair, of course, at a slower speed. So that would be your seat lift right there. Now this chair, while we have the seat still elevated, let's cover the bottom here. We've got 14-inch non-skid wheels, anti-tip wheels in the front. We've got double suspension here for the front and suspension here for the back. Both suspension can be adjusted. There's a ring here that you can turn to adjust the suspension for the front and the back, and you've got 2 more on the opposite side. You've also got caster wheels in the back. You've got a motor behind each wheel coming this way for each wheel with a lever here. So if you need to put this chair in neutral, you would turn the power off, and your lever, you would push it down, and now you can see your chair is in neutral. Push the lever back up. Actually, if you did both sides, it would roll. Push the lever back up, and you're back in gear. Turn your power back on, and you're back in gear. There's an anchor point here, so if you need to tie your chair down to a lift, there's an anchor point right in the front right here. There's also another one behind the light and behind the shaft. It's right where my fingers are at, between here. So you can tie this chair down to your lift or to your van with no problem. So that's your 12-inch seat lift right there going down. This chair also has what's called the interior tilt. So the interior tilt on this chair, I'm going to show you what that is here. Let me get it all the way down. So now we've got the seat all the way back down. Now the interior tilt is where the seat tilts forward. Let's see if we can do that right now. So this is, as you can see it going. So this is your interior tilt. This is a fantastic feature to have. You can see you have about a 20-25% tilt forward, which would help you get out. Of course, you would want your foot plate up when you get out. I forgot to do it, but this is called the interior tilt right there, which is very, very nice to have if you have a loved one that has a hard time getting out of the chair. That's what you would do. You would use the interior tilt. I'm going to bring the foot plate back down. Now I'm going to do the electric tilt. Now the electric tilt is when the bottom goes back. So this is your electric tilt. So we've done the seat lift, we've done the interior tilt, now we're doing the reverse tilt for the back. So this is the rear tilt. And also, if you wanted your legs to be higher too, if you wanted to have your legs higher than your body, you could do your legs right now, and your legs would be higher than your body. This is all adjustable. We can adjust the length of this. If you're 6'3" or 5'3", we can adjust that to your length. So there you definitely would have your feet higher than your body. So this is the tilt and the legs at the same time. I'm going to bring the tilt back down right now, and I'm going to show you how, once we have down, we'll do the recline, where you can do reclining completely flat. So this is the recline right now, and I'm going to show you right about now. Here's the recline. This is the electric recline. Now the joystick is on the left. We can put it on the right with no problem. Plus it has a swing away joystick so you can swing it away from the front. So as you can see right now, you can be totally reclined, and you could also do this if you wanted to. You could also be totally reclined and then raise your feet up. I can go higher if I wanted to, but you can see how many positions this chair will let you do. So this is your total flat position right now. Now we're going to talk about the seat. The arms do flip up. So earlier I was showing you how flat you could be. You can also raise the arms up when you're flat. This chair also has a safety belt. The seat on this chair is 19 by 19. 19 wide, 19 deep. This is a removable cushion, so you can change this cushion. It sits on Velcro, so you can put your own. This is a leather cushion, leather back, contoured back, the best there is. But you can change these cushions if you want to. And these seats are adjustable. If you needed this seat to be 20 by 20, a little bit different side, we can help you with that also. You have calf pads here. As I said, the foot plates do flip up for easy exit. As I said, this chair is practically brand new. I don't think it was used more than 3 or 4 months. I'm putting the legs all the way under the chair so you can see how there's nothing in front of you right now. But when you drive the chair, make sure your legs, especially if you're outside, make sure those legs are extended out a little bit like this to give you more ground clearance under here. So you want to be driving like this when you're outside. The turning radius on this chair is very good. This is your turning radius. The back of the chair, we've got your adjustable headrest over here. We've got a power button right in here. There's a button right here. You got to go up and into the chair. So when we shift the chair, we turn the power off right here. There'll be a sticker here showing you where the power is off. So when you get it, the power is completely off. These cylinders right here adjust the arm. By turning these cylinders, you can raise the arms up any tilt that you want right here. That's how you adjust the tilt on the arm. So another thing about this chair, when you charge the chair, take your Permobil charger, take your charger, plug it in the bottom of your joystick, and as soon as the light turns green on your charger, you're fully charged. The charger will recognize when the batteries are full. There's 2 batteries in this chair. They are group 34. There are 60 amp batteries. This should give you about 15 miles on a battery charge, depending where you're driving the chair and how fast you're driving it and the weight of the user. This chair will go 6 miles an hour, so it's a fast chair. And as I said, this is a Permobil, top of the line in power chairs. So if you're looking for the best there is, with a 12-inch seat lift, electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs, interior tilt, which it leans forward. You got 5 different positions on this chair you can be at. And those 5 positions, you can combine them with other positions, so you have even more positioning you can be. Solid tires, new condition just about, top of the line in power chairs. This is a really nice one. These are such fantastic chairs. It went through the grass. It was a little bumpy in the grass, but it rides really smooth through there. 6 miles an hour. Fantastic chair. Actually, it fits me pretty good. This is Mark with Marc's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.